In this question, guys, girls, and folks, we're asked to work out 60% of 70. So a percentage of an amount, a percentage of a quantity. So if it was me, I would actually partition this and work out what 10% is. So 10% of any quantity, we divide it by 10. So we do 70 divided by 10, and we get 7. So 10% of any quantity, you divide the quantity amount of number by 10. We want 60%, so we're going to scale that up. How do we get from 10 to 60, guys? Well, we multiply or we times by 6. So we're going to times 7 by 6. And 7 by 6, guys, will give us 42. So 60% of 70, guys, is 42. And that was worth 2 marks from an Edexcel foundation tier paper looking at a percentage of an amount, a percentage of a quantity. Thank you very much.